Would you rather choose your friends or $1 billion? Think about unlimited Gucci.
No.
Unlimited Gucci? Aaron, no! I choose money.
Bye, have a great time.
I want to buy this whole store. I'm living my dream right now. Hey everyone, look at my new Gucci dress. Where's everyone?
Huh?
Oh, right. I traded them away. Hey, can I pay you to be my best friend? I remember my friends and my teacher.